Okay, now the next period is the methods for preparation of haloarenes. First one is halogenation of benzene. So when benzene react with chlorine molecules in presence of Lewis acids, you will get chlorobenzene, removal of HCl, chlorobenzenes and removal of HCl. Again I repeat it. Here in each corner of benzene, one carbon and one hydrogen. When they react with chlorine molecules in presence of halogen carrier, that is Lewis acid, AlCl3 or FeCl3. Out of these two, anyone you have to take, you will get the chlorobenzene and liberation of HCl. Suppose in place chlorine, if we take their bromine, so benzene react with bromine, so Lewis acid will be aluminium bromides or FeBr3. So you will get bromobenzene and removal of HBr. Bromobenzene. Then now second one is when this benzene react with chlorine molecules, toluene react with chlorine molecules in presence of FeCl3, you will get orthochlorotoluene. Again I repeat, here toluene react with chlorine molecules in presence of FeCl3 or AlCl3. Out of these two, anyone you have to take. These are the Lewis acids. So you will get this compound orthochlorotoluenes and removal of HCl. Suppose when this toluene react with chlorine, but the condition will be different in presence of UV light. So it does not form nuclear derivative, it will form the side chain derivative, that is CH2Cl and removal of HCl. It named as benzyl chlorides. Benzyl chlorides. Benzyl chloride. Suppose it continuous, means you will get toluene react with 2 molecule of chlorine in presence of UV lights. So you will get CH, Cl2 and twice HCl, that is benzyl dichlorides, because here 2 hydrogen replaced by 2 chlorines and removal of 2 HCl. At last, if we take toluene react with 3 molecule of chlorine in presence of UV lights to get tri and thrice HCl, and here it is benzo trichlorides. So in the first case, 1 hydrogen replaced by 1 chlorine, second case 2 hydrogen replaced by 2 chlorine, and here all the 3 hydrogen, here 3 hydrogen, here 3 chlorine. So these are the side chain derivative, but this is nuclear derivative. So we write here nuclear derivative, and it is a side chain derivative. Okay, so these are the halogenation of benzene and the toluenes. Okay, note down these reactions. Okay, now third method is from aniline. Aniline means CCH5NH2, that is phenylamine. So when this aniline C6H5NH2 react with nitrous acid and HCl at 273 Kelvin to 278 Kelvin in presence of sodium nitrate and HCl. This is ice cold conditions. So you will get there here benzene diazonium chlorides and twice H2O plus benzene diazonium chloride and twice H2O. Again I repeat it, the aniline react with nitrous acid. Nitrous acid is HNO2. So how it will be prepared? NaNO2 plus HCl. Now Na plus NO2 minus. Add here H plus Cl minus. So in this case, here HNO2 combined with the, you will get HNO2, that is nitrous acid, and removal of NaCl. Okay, so here HNO2 we have to write there HONO, that is nitrous acid. Okay, and when aniline react with nitrous acid plus HCl in concentrated conditions at 273 Kelvin to 278 means it is 0 degree Celsius to 5 degree Celsius in presence of sodium nitrate and HCl to get benzene diazonium chloride and water. So when now next is Sandmeyer reactions. It say that when the benzene diazonium chlorides N2Cl react with cuprous chlorides या cuprous halide Cu2H2, so you will get there halobenzene and removal of N2. Now these X will be considered as chlorine and bromines. Okay, so this is benzene diazonium chlorides, this is halobenzene or haloarenes. So for example, when these benzene diazonium chlorides react with cuprous chlorides to get chlorobenzene and N2. Chlorobenzene. Okay. If the benzene diazonium chlorides react with cuprous bromide Cu2Br2, cuprous, that time copper carries +1 charge only, so it will get bromobenzene and removal of N2. Again I repeat, benzene diazonium chloride plus cuprous bromide to get bromobenzene. Suppose you are taking whatever halide is there, so respective haloarene is formed. Okay, then now next is reaction with Ki. So when benzene diazonium chloride plus Ki, potassium iodides, to get the iodobenzene, removal of potassium chlorides and N2. Iodobenzene. Okay, so benzene diazonium chlorides react with Ki. Ki means potassium iodide to get iodobenzene, potassium chloride and N2. After that, this Number 4, reaction with fluoroboric acids. So when that is HBF4. So here benzene diazonium chlorides, when they react with HBF4, you will get benzene diazonium fluoroborate N2BF4 and removal of here HCl, name as benzene diazonium fluoroborate. After that, here it breaks down. BF4 we have to write BF3 and F. So at last here it gets fluorobenzene plus boron trifluorides plus N2. So here it is fluorobenzene. So by using Sandweier reaction, you will get fluorobenzene and bromobenzene. When reaction with Ki to get iodobenzene. When reaction with fluoroboric acid to get the fluorobenzene. Benzene diazonium chloride plus fluoroboric acids. Fluoroboric acids in presence of THF, tetrahydrofuran, THF. To get the benzene diazonium fluoroborates, at last it is fluorobenzene and boron trifluoride and removal of nitrogen gas. And last it is here the Gattermann reactions. Number 5, it is Gattermann reactions when benzene diazonium chlorides is react with copper and HCl to get fluorobenzene, removal of N2. Gattermann reaction is quite different than Sandweier. In Sandweier, here we take cuprous halides, but in Gattermann, copper and HCl. Another one is the benzene diazonium chlorides react with copper and HBr to get their bromobenzene plus removal of N2. This is bromobenzene. Here it is fluorobenzene. Understood? So these are the methods for preparation of haloarenes are over. Now in this case, first is halogenation of benzene. It forms the nuclear derivative as well as side chain derivative. But the condition is different. For nuclear derivative, you have to take Lewis acid as a reagent, and for side chain derivative, you take the uvelites. Second one is from aniline. So aniline, you will get benzene diazonium chloride, and after that Sandweier reactions. Due to Sandweier reaction, when benzene diazonium chloride and the cuprous chlorides, cuprous Cu2, Cl2. So you will get respective fluorobenzene or bromobenzene. After that, reaction with Ki to get iodobenzene, reaction with fluoroboric acid to get fluorobenzene, and last is Gattermann reaction to get again the respective haloarene, but reagent is copper and HCl. So note down all these reactions, and here the method for preparation of haloarenes are over. Thank you.